Hi, this is Steve, product specialist here at 1000bulbs.com, and on Today for What It's Worth, we're going to highlight the LED wall packs from our friends at PLT Solutions. The wall pack has been the fixture of choice to provide security around the perimeter of almost any building. Traditionally, these luminaires were equipped with metal halide or high-pressure sodium lamps, using hundreds of watts each. The industry did offer an energy-saving alternative as recently as 2 decades ago with the advent of compact fluorescent light bulbs, but typically with a trade-off in light output. Now, however, it's difficult to imagine anything other than an LED fixture filling this role. PLT Solutions has a strong lineup of both traditional wall packs in various sizes and a few that will give you even more versatility. In the smaller wall pack category, you will find 2 options, both coming in a dark bronze or white finish. Each fixture allows for both wattage and Kelvin color temperature selection in the field before installation. Select from 8, 10, or 15 watts, or if you need more light in a small package, you can choose a model giving 20, 25, or 30 watts. Each offers 3,000, 4,000, or 5,000 Kelvin and comes with an integrated dust Sodan photocell and are all DLC 5.1 premium rated. For those who are needing the most traditional size and shape in an LED wall pack, there are plenty of options to choose from on our site. Ranging in lumen options from 3,000 to 16,800, these wattage and Kelvin selectable wall packs give you the opportunity to easily upgrade from a 150 watt to a 400 watt metal halide fixture. Each of those options can change from 4,000 to 5,000 Kelvin, so you don't have to decide on which color temperature needed in advance. All feature Philips LumenLED diodes, are DLC 5.1 premium rated, and come with a PLT Solutions 5-year warranty. It's no wonder these fixtures are widely popular. Another offering in this section are the LED rotatable wall packs. We've highlighted these individually before, but they are worthy of mention here as well. These highly versatile fixtures allow you to point light in any direction. In fact, the 2-panel version will allow you to do both. The ability to adjust and direct the light exactly where you'd like in the field is a game changer for sure. Like our other PLT Solution LED wall pack offerings, these are also wattage and Kelvin selectable and come in a white or dark bronze finish. If you have any questions or would like to make a purchase, give one of our knowledgeable lighting experts a call at 1-800-624-4488 or visit us at 1000bulbs.com. Don't forget to click the like button if this is valuable for you. And for more lighting product spotlights, tips, and education, please hit that subscribe button too. You can even turn on notifications by clicking the bell so you'll know exactly when we upload new content. Thanks for tuning in to this installment of For What It's Worth. We'll see you next time.